Good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priya Ranjan Trivedi. I am speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priya Ranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 21st June, so let's know the importance and significance of 21st June. Today is International Day of Yoga. Yoga is an exercise. It is a very old, exercise and an action and a posture. One of the oldest in the world. Yoga has nothing to do with religion. People call it yoga also, but it is because coming from Sanskrit or Hindi, it is yoga. So, as I told you, it has nothing to do with religion. It is an activity to keep you healthy and fit. Of course, it was invented in India, but that doesn't mean you will correlate with religion and worship. There are many hundreds of postures. Any disease there is a cure in yoga. So there are teachers, the educators. Government of India is trying to revive the ancient knowledge and has instructed all the universities and colleges, schools to introduce yoga. We have certificate courses, we have diploma courses, postgraduate diploma, bachelor's, master's, and doctoral level courses. Our universities in Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh have also a compulsory master's degree and bachelor's degree yoga. We also have BNYS, that is the most important program initiated by the Government of India, which is known as BNY, Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. It's a 5-year degree program where you know each and everything about yoga and naturopathy. Here is a time now to know about drugless therapies. If you have drugs and take allopathic medicine, they are very expensive, it will cost your health, and there is a big budget required. If you really want to have zero budgeting on health, still want to cure everybody by 2030 or 2047, 2050, the answer lies in drugless therapies, where yoga and naturopathy both are at top. No medicine is required. Through lifestyle, through postures, you get cured. So friends, it's a great day as well as an auspicious occasion when all over the world the International Day of Yoga is being practiced. We were also given the sanction from Government of India to observe this day in our universities. We have done it. We are doing it successfully today, and we do it every quarter to make everybody aware that yes, they do it. Otherwise, those who want to come, get cured, they come to our clinic, come to our hospital, where we train them, not only train them, but treat them, and also motivate them that they must send many more persons by stopping taking, consuming allopathic or any other medicine. They must depend on yoga and naturopathy. So today is the day to remember. So friends, today is also the World Music Day. Music, is very important. You have to learn music, of course, but music is so soothing. You know the difference between music and noise. Music is soothing, noise is not soothing. So we have to remember about music. We have to learn about playing music. We have to learn about appreciating music. We should know about singing. So music is also helpful in treatment of patients. Music therapy is there. At the same time, if you are tired, you patiently hear some music, you will be cool, you will be stress-free. So music has many roles all over the world. From time immemorial, music has importance. So today also symbolically we remember the World Music Day, and we also encourage everybody to participate in music, to learn music. That is how we remembered, this day. Tomorrow we'll discuss about some other day. Till then, I thank you for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.